Coach, it looks like we had a couple of dominating performances out there. Would you talk a little bit about the women's race and then the men's race?
Sure. You know, I talked to the kids on Monday, and I told them, I said, I don't want to just win, I want to dominate. And I think they really took it to heart. They went out, Toya, you know, she just took off and just ran a heck of a race. We tried to have her run in Kenya for El Paso, and she stayed with her for a while, but then she just had a good, solid race. Had a personal best, 24:20, and then, in fact, you go straight across our girls' board, every one of them had a personal best today. So it's exactly what you want at a regional meet, you know, and you want to dominate that way. On the guys' side, you know, Kamoy got way out in front, and wasn't anybody pressing him, and he still goes very well. He's the one who ran the 24:20, I'm sorry.
And Atoya was what, 17:02 or somewhere in there?
17:02, okay. Which is a PR for her big time.
Yes, sir.
And so, I mean, just excitement. The guys did exactly what I asked them. I told them, I said, we want to run fast, but we want to run smart. And so they would go out and try to burn themselves down in that first mile. And, you know, that's extremely important. And they ended up just dominating everybody. You know, ran well. Get the Nationals. We're going to have to close the gaps down a little bit, but we did run as a pack, but we need to get closer to come away.
Yeah. Now, speaking of the national meet, I spoke with Coach Bean earlier in the week about the 3-week layoff, and how do you feel that taking the time off and getting some good workout and then some rest prepared them, and how will this race prepare them for nationals?
Well, I think this race actually kind of encourages them a little bit, because they actually got to see what they can really do if they run smart, you know, and I think that's going to be extremely important. You know, then the rest period, the work that we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks, getting them ready is going to pay huge dividends. I really like that break in there, and I think that it's going to be just exactly what we need to get where we're going to be going with those guys. Of course, this next week will be really pretty hard, and then after that we'll start pulling back, and, as I say, taking our fangs in a little bit, and then going from there, and hopefully those guys will just respond the way they did this week, and we'll go out there and have a great race and be in the trophies, as they say, and that's what we'd like to do.